Hello everyone, Fluffy Jack here, slash Aiden. Tonight really, I'm gonna be opening 3 booster packs which I got from one of my pupils at school for the Secret Santa thing that we're doing. And yeah, I thought it was really cool. I'd just like to give a big thank you and a big shout out to Aurora who got me these. It was very nice of her, and yeah, just thanks. Okay, well let's get started. I've arranged them into... Oh, also sorry about the low quality. I don't have that the best camera in the world, but yeah. Let's get started with the Genesect. I've arranged these into alphabetical order. I'll just open this one now. Alright. Oh, okay, so we've got a Poké in that one. Funny, I would have thought that they had the actual same one as that, but they don't. I'll just open this. Alright, so got the code card. Okay, yep. So code card. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so let's get started. Got an Aron, a Bagon. Ooh, I think I got a good card on this. Squirtle, Teddiursa, Solosis, Ursaring, Shelgon, Archon. Ooh, cool, A-Spec. Mad, G-Scope. Okay, cool. Looks like a fairly cool card. And my rare is Cradily. Cool. Well, that's fairly cool. This is actually my first A-Spec. I haven't really opened that many Plasma Blast booster boxes or decks or anything, so yep, fairly cool. Onto the side. Okay, so now onto the Palkia booster pack. I'll just open it. So this one's the Porygon one. Oh. Code card again. Oh yeah, just put that one down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright, so Porygon, Sork, Kick of Righteousness, what a awesome attack. Drifloon, another Bagon, Axew, Relicanth, Porygon 2. Alright. Silver Mirror, another G-Scope. Wow, how cool is that? And oh, Suicune. Mad. Okay, so now I've got 2 G-Scopes. Got another one down here, and a Suicune. Man, that's awesome. I'll open up this next pack. But yeah, okay, so this one's got the Dialga. Dialga. Alright, I'll just open this one. Again, the code card. I don't give these away because I quite like the online game, but it hasn't been working lately for me, but I'm gonna keep on trying to play it. But yeah. 1, 2, 3, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Hope I didn't mess that one up. Okay, so we've got a Remoraid, Ducklet, Surskit, Lapras, Munna, Chatot, Ultra Ball, Tropius, G Booster, Ace Spec. Oh, cool. Okay. And a Frostless. Frostless was my rare. Alright, so in every single thing that I opened, I got G-Scope, then I got another G-Scope, and then I got G-Booster. Really quite cool. Along with a Suicune. A sweet Suicune at that as well. Its ability is Safeguard, prevent all effects of attacks, including damage done to this Pokemon by Pokemon EX. And it's got, oh, Aurora Beam. Yep, again, thank you, Aurora, for getting me these cards, the booster packs I mean. There's turned out to be some great pulls. So again, thank you, Aurora, and all you guys out there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Any comments or anything, like feedback? I'd love some feedback. Also, if you could hit the like and subscribe button, that would help me out a lot too. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.